How to get 5% cash back on gas with Sam's Club Mastercard. Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to do so using the Sam's Club Mastercard. So let's just jump right in. First of all, in order to get the Sam's Club Mastercard, you will need to be the member. So you can apply for the membership through their login page. You can go to samsclub.com and look out for register your membership option, where you can basically register for their membership. So you can just go ahead and type the details and register for the membership. And once approved, you can start earning rewards right away. So you can earn 5% cash back on the first $6,000 in the gas purchases per year and then 1% after that. This works at any of the gas station and not just Sam's Club fuel centers. So you can just go ahead and pay with your Sam's Club MasterCard at the pump you're going to. You can just go ahead and do so, and then you can log in into their app, samsclub.com, this one right here, and go to the Sam's Gas section to see how much you've earned. It should basically show you all of the details that you're looking for, and you can redeem with 5% cash back. You can shop in store or online and redeeming for an actual cash at Sam's Club register, applying it towards your Sam's Club membership renewable. And that's it. That's how you basically earn 5% cash back on gas with the Sam's Club MasterCard. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money saving tips. Thank you for watching, and we will be seeing you in another video.